Welcome to our video. I'm going to tell you how to use AI to actually improve Shopify checkout conversions in 2025. Most creators just talk about generic design tweaks, but here's the smarter way. First, use AI heat maps like Hotjar with AI insights to track where customers drop off at checkout. You literally see the friction points. Next, plug in AI driven copy tools like Jasper or Copy.ai to A and B test checkout button text, urgency lines, and shipping reassurance. AI will auto generate variations and tell you what converts. You can also integrate AI chatbots at checkout, powered by tools like Tidio or Intercom AI, so customers don't abandon carts over simple questions. Finally, use predictive AI in Shopify apps that identify high risk abandoners and automatically trigger tailored discounts or email nudges. That's how brands are squeezing out digital digits lifts in conversion. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more AI powered Shopify growth hacks.